When it comes to managing real-time, data-intensive workloads, agencies are struggling. They've got a lot of data coming at them. It comes from their own data centers, their cloud applications, the Internet of Things, and other dynamic sources. That data is in a lot of different formats, and it comes at them fast. In other words, they're dealing with the 3 V's: volume, variety, and velocity, all of which ties into applications that make split-second decisions. A major pressure point for agencies is that a lot of data is mission-critical. Data must get to the point where it can be used to make real-time decisions or improve services related to performance and scale advanced analytic capabilities, such as AI, machine learning, and modeling. Legacy systems can't keep up. Think of this data like water during a storm. A foot of rainfall causes floods and disorder. You need a way to divert the water and filter out the debris quickly. Then it becomes useful. Agencies need that same centralized control of their data. They need a modern data platform that processes data in real time and at scale. The key to this solution are building blocks that act like a series of dams to ease the chaos. As each building block is added, the flood of data becomes more manageable. First, a hybrid memory architecture which increases data density per node and reduces server footprint helps make the solution scalable and a small server footprint possible. A multi-threaded design across multiple cores delivers predictable performance at any level of scale. And finally, self-healing clusters fix their own issues, providing near zero downtime. Together, these building blocks create a modern data architecture, one that gives agencies the outcomes they need. With this solution, you can 1. Ingest and analyze big data as soon as it's available, regardless of its format or source. 2. Bridge the gap between legacy systems and modern applications. That means you can still use data-stored legacy systems to more effectively power AI and machine learning applications. 3. New applications and workloads can be added without replatforming, which is essential if the services are mission-critical. 4. Lower the total cost of ownership, or TCO, by reducing the amount you spend on both capital and operational expenses. And 5. Improve sustainability by dramatically reducing power consumption and carbon footprint.
Aerospike is a real-time data platform designed for large-scale and frequently changing workloads. The platform's hybrid memory architecture gives agencies ultra-fast access to data, whether it's at the edge, in the core, or distributed between them. Aerospike enables a much higher number of transactions per second, typically in the millions of transactions per second, and provides elasticity and linear growth in performance at any scale, from tens of terabytes to petabytes of data and more.
Knowing a solution is available is one thing. Knowing how to put it to practical use is another. Security threat assessments are a good example. Security teams use modeling to create a picture of threats, like ransomware, phishing, and defense threats that are in the wild. As security data is gathered, it's matched against AI and machine learning models to assess potential threats. This comparison helps security teams identify high-risk threats that must be addressed immediately to minimize damage or prevent successful attacks. But timing is critical. Models can take up to 30 days to create and update, which leaves attackers plenty of time to change their approach. AI and machine learning models powered by a real-time platform can update models more frequently, which shortens the window of time between building a threat assessment model and applying it to new information. And that can make all the difference in keeping systems and data protected. Is your data at the high water mark? A data platform that powers real-time decisions could be the flow control you need to draw value consistently from your data. That's a big step closer to using data in real time, as well as meeting your mission more effectively.